What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now we starting off iPhone 16 Pro cases, legendary guys. Shout out to my good folks over at Pitaka. They make some really quality cases, and today we got something different, guys. We got that Aramid fiber case, but now they got cases with military grade protection. So it's an Aramid fiber case, but it's a protective military grade type protection case, which I think is dope. And as you can see, the color array, the color or the colorway, whatever you want to call it, is sunset. And sunset is fire. And I'll tell you a little bit about sunset, guys. This is my case off my iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see, it's a little battle tested, but as you can see, Pitaka cases hold up. Had this case on for like the whole 2 years. I really like this case. Now, this is the more thin, minimal Aramid fiber type case, but I love the sunset. But this actually wasn't sunset, guys. At first, it was called Route 66. It was a limited edition case that came with like some limited edition stuff. And it's even numbered, if you can see it, guys. It's a numbered limited edition case, but people loved it so much, they went ahead and just made sunset on all that cases, just made it a colorway for all the cases. So show you how long I've really been rocking with some of Pitaka stuff and how it holds up over the years. So as you can see, guys, we got MagSafe compatible, drop proof, and it's woven. This is real quality Aramid fiber woven. That's how you put these cases together. They not just, stick together or glued together. This is an actual woven Aramid fiber material. Pull this open like so, and it reveals the case. Now, guys, I'm really feeling this case. I was feeling this case. I've seen this case. I've actually had this case before the 16 Pro was actually out. And when I saw the case and I saw this ring that goes around the camera, the like raised up protective ring, how it matched the whole colorway of the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro, I was like, oh, I gotta get a Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro just to match this case. This colorway is fire, combined with like this rose gold type look on the camera ring. Now we get the case out, guys, and I mean, you see the full aesthetic with that rose gold look on the trim and, on the buttons, just keeping it really, I mean, it just looks really aesthetically perfect for the Desert Titanium iPhone. Buttons look good. I like when it's got these individual raised up, like these buttons are individually pressed into the case, so they're gonna have a nice tactile feel, I'm sure. Like, they're not buttons that's made into the case, they're buttons that's made and placed into the case, so they actually always have like a better tactile feeling. Go to the inside, you got a nice soft material that's going to protect your iPhone, and you got MagSafe powers. All cutouts on deck down bottom. Then you got a nice big cutout for your camera control. So look at that nice raised up camera protection, guys, with the 16 Pro actually in the case and how it plays off the colors of the Desert Titanium and the camera rings on the Desert Titanium with this protective camera ring. I think this looks amazing, aesthetically perfect. I knew it when I seen this case that what color iPhone I was going to get. And as you can see, nice individual buttons. Same with the power button, and you get a nice tactile button press right here, guys. All cutouts available down bottom. Nice cutout for your Type-C and your speakers, and even this like little brownish rose goldish trim ring just works really well with the frame of this device, as you can see. Now, this case feels very minimal in hand, very lightweight case, guys. But one thing I wish Pitaka did do was add a little bit more of a raised lip. There's a raised lip on this case, but it's still kind of minimal. I wish it protruded just a little bit more. Now we got the phone in the case. This is a MagSafe case, so we gotta test the strength. Now we're gonna test the MagSafe strength with this actual ring holder from Pitaka, the sunset ring holder, to actually match the case. Very nice, sturdy ring holder, guys. Great design. This is actual Aramid fiber also, and the actual ring holder is aluminum, so I've been using these for years. Now, just holding the ring holder snaps right on, guys, and I mean, it's strong enough to hold your iPhone or whatever. I'm trying to throw it off here, guys. It's not going nowhere. MagSafe strength is definitely there on this case. But shout out to Pitaka for sending out this protective Urban fiber case to your boy in the sunset colorway to match the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro. All links will be down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.